So hello everyone, in this video we are going to make the vitiligo this patch cover up completely. So the process is going to be start now. As you can see, we are going to cover this patch with the exact skin color. So we are making this vitiligo camouflage process. It's been almost 15 years now, and I am one of the American Academy of Micropigmentation member, and I'm a well experienced one. As you can see, we are covering it up with the exact natural skin color. So it's bringing it up the color same tone. First we are trying it with a little lighter color. So we don't want to get more darker on that skin and looks like more of a patch. So trying it out with a little lighter color, then we are making a much more progress in that particular place. So as you can see, the output is coming so clear and good, and I am making a one tone darker than the actual skin tone, so that once it's got healed, it will give you the much more natural look. It will looks like exact the same skin tone. And if you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us. Our contact number is mentioned on the screen. Please do contact us in that particular number. Our team will be help you out with all the details. And we recommend our clients to go ahead and get it done the patch test first, so that they can get to know the skin is getting accepted or not. So in that way, it will be helpful for the clients to get confident to get and proceed with the remaining layers of the body. So scientifically, if the melanin layer is not in an active condition, skin cannot be able to accept this. So that we recommend our clients to go ahead and do the patch test. If that's got succeeded, then we are really happy to provide the remaining places in your body. So as you can see, the process is started and going so smooth. We are trying to cover the exact patch skin tone with the skin color, and it's coming really nice. So as you all know, this process requires a special skill, and it does not cause any of the infections. It's completely safe in nature. You don't need to worry at all. As you can see, you can't even find it where that the white patch was. So it's the final video. There was a small reddishness, but it will become a normal in another 2 weeks. Not 2 weeks, another 2 hours. So I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't die nude.